What's going on? Hope you guys are all doing well. Philly P here. And with us today, we have Suspended Animation by Brothers Pyrotechnics, 25 shot. Let's see, okay. Here's the performance right here. In Suspended Animation, you will wonder where the time has gone. 15 alternating shots of blue or yellow tails to blue or yellow stars with a time ring. Ends with a 10-shot finale. Nice. 25 shots total. So I paid, let's see, that was $7.68 a piece from American Wholesale, plus shipping and tax probably. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna get out there and demo. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to light up that like button if you like this demo. All right, let's check this one out. Suspended Animation. All right, that was Suspended Animation.